Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investing Advisors. With the start of new year 2021, we started series of videos that gives a glimpse of the trading strategies we deploy and outcome of the same is reviewed each month as performance check. Today we are going to review the April month performance. In the thumbnail you would have read 50k profit for the month. Yes, the profit was only 50k but a lot of lessons to learn why it was only 50k. So watch this video till the end so that as beginners you can avoid the mistakes that we did and learn out of it. In the April month, we traded only in Bank Nifty options. And let me tell you, this was again a tough month for option sellers as Bank Nifty was very volatile in each weekly expiry and throughout the month. No wonder Bank Nifty closed the month at same levels where it opened, but it gave a roller coaster ride for the traders and understanding the trend was challenging due to lot of eventful news. Now, speaking on the strategy, we deployed strangles and straddles in each weekly expiry. But you might be aware these strategies are not efficient when the range within which you hedge your positions is broken. And that was the reason why we had to run for cover, adjust our positions, and put a strict stop loss to limit our losses. The another very important aspect which we would like to bring to the table is when the trades are against you, not manageable, and your inner feeling do not allow to further carry trades, then just exit. The reason being stock market is full of opportunities. If you do not make profit in one trade, in a week, or in a month, it's okay. But do not stick only to that particular one trade to turn profitable. For better clarity, let's quickly go through the chart. The green line that you see is marked as resistance and red line being support for the month. The dashed lines are weekly expiry series days for the month of April. As I mentioned earlier, Bank Nifty opened and closed the month at same levels, but it swinged in the 4000 points range, which is around 10 to 12% move, forming a V-shaped kind of fall and recovery. I have split the entire month in each weekly expiry. Let's discuss one by one. We are in portfolio. Let me change the month to April. We do not have any positions in futures. We traded only options. Let me click all. Here we go. The profit you see 4.43 lakhs is inclusive of April 1st week expiry, which we had already taken into account in the March month performance review. You can watch the video for reference in the link above. Now, if we exclude 3.91 lakhs of the first week from 4.43 lakhs total profit, then we remain with net profit of only 52k for the April month. Let's start our analysis for 8th April weekly expiry. It was a short week because of holiday, so the premiums decayed rapidly. Bank Nifty was in consolidation phase in the range of 32,150 to 33,600 levels. So we applied only strangle strategy. And you see, all the strikes that we took, both at the money and out of the money call and put options, had profits. And the total profit for the week was 3.48 lakhs. Everything seemed to be like hunky dory till the first week. Now, in second week, that is 15th April weekly expiry. Again, it was a short week due to holiday. There was sudden spike and dip in the volatility index owing to fall of 2400 points in Bank Nifty in just 2 days and a sharp rise of 1600 points in next 2 days. It was a perfect V pattern. We had applied both straddles and strangle strategy here. Hence, all in the money strikes on call options had huge loss, whereas out of the money strikes had marginal profits. But when you hedge positions, the other leg, that is, put options, had profit in all the strikes. This way, overall, we closed the weekly expiry with net profit of 2k. We had to go through a lot of hustle and bustle only to ensure we remain in profits. Then, third week again was a short expiry due to holiday. So the premiums had to decay fast. Unlike second week, here the market seemed bearish. A slight fall on day 1, then a big gap down on day 2 with a small rebound, then a consolidation on day 3, and on expiry day a strong positive close, though there was a gap down open. These kind of undecisive moves deter the positions of the option writers. Though the week was volatile, we were able to adjust all our positions. On in the money calls, we lost heavily, but it was covered with out of the money calls and put options. Hence, we ended with negligible loss with 430 rupees. Coming to the last week, April 29th weekly expiry. On day 1, Bank Nifty traded with positive sentiments. And something very important to notice was Bank Nifty had tested the support zones 3 times in a month, and every time it came down to those levels, there was strong buying on the dips. That indicated Bank Nifty was poised to trade higher and was confirmed on the third day when it closed positive. Until this day, we were on the losing side and were prepared to exit if it goes against us. On the fourth day, Bank Nifty opened high and closed almost 1100 points up. Our losses too mounted with this big up move. And since we were closer to expiry, the premiums on the out of the money options were trading at low prices. So there was no point in hedging. It was a right decision to exit all the positions and sit quiet. We could have avoided a big dent by exiting the losing positions on the call options a day before. But we stuck with it because we were diligently following our rules. We knew our limits, so had put strict stop loss. Once it crossed those levels, we exited the trades and booked the loss of 2.98 lakhs in the last week. Next day, so total profit for April month remained only 52k, though till third week it was reflecting 3.5 lakhs. The lessons to learn for beginners is cut down your positions when you are not confident. Take risk for the amount which you could afford to lose. Markets will give early signals. You just have to follow it. The only tool that traders have control on in this market is stop loss. If you limit your losses, by default, you turn profitable. With this, we come to an end with the performance review for April month. To get regular market updates, kindly follow Investment Advisors on Twitter, Koo, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram channel. Thanks for watching the video. We hope the learnings we shared will make you better trader. If you liked it, do share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.